How to transfer money from UniCredit app. Log in using your username, password, or biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. On the home screen, tap on Transfers or Payments. Here, you'll see options like Send to another UniCredit account. Select the one that fits your needs. Next, enter the recipient's details. Name of the person or company. IBAN or account number. SWIFT code for international transfers. The amount you want to send. And, optionally, a payment reference or note. Select which account you're sending money from, then review the transfer details carefully. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm. You may need to verify the transfer using SMS code, e-identifier, or Face ID, fingerprint depending on your security settings. Thanks for watching.